Alright, we're going to be trying to fix a crack in a skimmer. It's multiple cracks. Yeah, it's not looking good. We got several. One here on the top. Not quite a huge issue, but the ones down below, the front port is plugged and goes nowhere. This back port right here is what goes down to the equipment, and it's dye tested major leak. So I'm going to try a Dremel tool with a kind of a burring bit, kind of conical shape. I got this little assortment here, so I've got plenty to choose from. So I'm going to try to open it up and hopefully I can get some plast-aid in there to help seal it up. I'm going to change my bits out. This little grinding stone looking thing just gets plugged up with plastic. So I'm going to go in with this metal tipped one. So you can see it's making some progress, but not going nearly deep enough to penetrate the crack. Primer after a Dremel, you can't see what it is, but since this is an ABS plastic, it should soften it enough to get a good, not just a chemical bond and a mechanical bond. You can kind of see where it's drummed out a little bit. I still need to cut a little bit first. You could use the primer, or in this case, to kind of clean up your cracks and clean up the shavings, like you see right there. So I'm gonna keep drilling, keep opening it up, and hope for the best. Okay, so it's looking a little bit better. Got the crack cleaned up. Put a T in it to end the crack. It actually looks like it goes a little bit further, so I might put another T. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna mix a pretty liquidy. I like to be as liquid as I can, where I can pour it into the crack on the horizontal surfaces, and then make a putty for on the sides, which are going to be in the threads here. Those are going to be the tricky ones. So that's a pretty gnarly crack, and it looks like I just see another one. Awesome. All right, gonna mix up the dry powder. A little bit more. We got plenty of this stuff. It's cheap. Activator. And I do need a good stir stick. So use this drill bit. Whoop, don't want to put that on the deck. Too late. Alright. Okay. Right in that crack. And the grooves that I cut in kind of help hold it. Probably should be wearing gloves for this, but I'll go right in for it. That front right, that's a good, that looks real good there. Get that all up in the threads. Alright, so there's the finished product. Don't see any open gaps in there, and the color matches the ABS of the plastic pretty darn good. But yeah, I might go back and kind of retouch that up. I had to go back and redo this front hole here too. It's got just loads of cracks in it, so just mix it up with a kind of a putty like, and rub it on your finger and rub it into the cracks.